Are you looking for the best fishing drones? In this video we will look at some of the best fishing drones the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Air 2S. Best quality consumer 20MP 1-inch sensor interchangeable lens filter environmental sensing remote controller. The ultimate drone for creators is DJI Air 2S. It features a gimbal stabilized camera that is straight down, a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a compact body that weighs 600 g and has powerful autonomous features, and an easy filter attachment which helps in addition of a polarizing lens and deep penetration of the lake. The portable, safe and intelligent technology helps in spending more time enjoying flights. DJI Air 2S scout its surrounding in 4 directions, i.e., up, down, forward, and backward. The algorithms are improved for pilot assistance systems and allow obstacles to avoid complex situations, helping in high-quality tools not only for beginners but also inexperienced. This app control is easy and safe to use. Its small size and ability to make a video of 5.4K make the DJI Air 2S the most beautiful choice. The 20MP, 1-inch sensor and digital zoom makes it lightweight and foldable. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4 Pro Drone. Omnidirectional sensor system to make the flight safer. High-resolution camera, 3-axis gimbals, 3 flight modes, average range, good battery life. DJI is the first name and product with unique features and specifications. The Phantom 4 Pro is a combination of titanium alloy and magnesium alloy, which ensures rigidity and keeps the drone weight as low as possible. Moreover, 3-axis gimbals for stabilization, a 20MP CMOS camera sensor, and 4K video resolution at 60 frames per second is other distinct feature. The maximum 4.3-mile range is an exception. The overall battery life and flight performance are the best. The 5-direction sensor and different intelligent modes are at your disposal. This is the best drone for fishing cinematography. Number 3. Swell Pro Splash Drone 3 Plus Waterproof Drone. Waterproof self-righting and floating design, 2 pounds load capacity, abate and line release system, long-range FPV connection. The Splash Drone 3 Plus is a waterproof drone that includes a remote control and isn't afraid of getting wet. This is superb for fishing as you can take a camera drone into the water. This drone is specifically designed for fishing. Swell Pro Quadcopter IP67 construction, 3-axis gimbal, 4K camera sensor, and payload release system are considered other distinct features. The fish finders or any other device can be attached to it. During rough weather, this product is resistant to wind or shock waves. The 5200 mAh impressive battery makes it last up to 25 minutes in good condition. The 2 additional batteries make it last up to 50 minutes of flight time, which is even superb while going on any adventure trip. The Splash drone is 1,300 meters in range and has a flight range for a good fishing trip. The payload capacity allows extra equipment for anglers and weighs 3.2 pounds. Despite the fact that it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, it is still safe, stable, predictable, and versatile. The world's safest flying robot has amazing features that it can return home automatically, take off the landing, and have low voltage protection in it. Number 4. Swell Pro Spry. Buoyant waterproof corrosion-resistant motor coating on land and water, 4K video, 12MP images. A protective polycarbonate camera dome is present. Electronic image dome is clear and reduces glare. Film complex moves 5 miles per hour speed. Waterproof remote ATI mode bait release system. This is a waterproof and buoyant drone that has external waterproof switches for power. You can take a shot in water or land without any fear. The maximum speed is 43.5 miles per hour. An aerodynamic frame reduces drag and turbulence, an array of interior aluminum heat that reduces heat, and for vibrations, bumpers help to land safely on the ground. The remote controller is paired with your mobile phone for navigation. The hatch lid provides ventilation without letting water inside and helps in the prevention of water from entering the fuselage. The Spry drone is a compact waterproof option for fishing. The Swell Pro is easy to fly and gives the best aerial views. It is the best drone for those who love to fish or swim. It's the best fast-flying drone. Number 5. Power Vision Power X. The flight time and water landing can be chosen. Is stabilized camcorder is their waterproof housing patent sync technology AI face recognition 3-axis cameras extra battery. The 4K drone that can be used on land or in water is the Power Vision Power Egg X Wizard drone. This powerful drone provides better flying with a superb battery life that can land on the surface of water. The 1/2.8-inch CMOS sensor camera, 4K/60 fps UHD camcorder, and a 3-axis gimbal filter the vibrations out and provide smooth footage. The drone body is out of arms and has stabilized action camera in it. The 170 degrees tracking field view and AI algorithm and robotic technology enable facial recognition and deep learning. The sync voice technology helps the users to narrate the real-time by using the microphone on mobile or wireless earphones. These features make this drone best for fishing. The best waterproof drone for fishing is Power Egg X.